What is up, family? I'm not even used to the new lens, but it's like a lot wider, so let me know if you guys like it. I mean, I like it better than the other one. Seriously though, I feel like it's been forever since we do like a one-on-one video. Anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. My name is Danny Z. My Z's right over there. I'm about to show you guys, and we make awesome videos, so hit that subscribe button. All right, bros, this is Florida weather. Super sunny, and you come over here and wow, that is so scary over there. So let's try to go ahead and get this video done for you, bros. And as you bros can see right here, the star of the show, Brittany. Bros, just look at this rear end. That is so aggressive. But alright, family, before we start, I feel like I'm doing this every single video, but the car needs no gas. 47, 48, 49, $50, bros, $50. Just like that, we got back home, I changed shirts, I ate something, and let's get to the video. Nothing feels better, guys. Nothing feels better than seeing all those little circles just almost to the top. There's something about me, I don't think I've ever filled up my whole tank. I think I put like $51, I think the video said, and it filled it up that much, so I'm pretty happy with that. So let's go ahead and start talking about why you guys clicked on this video. So in case you guys are new to the channel, or you guys didn't get notifications, or you just don't really know about it, about a week ago, I test drove a twin turbo 650 horsepower Nissan 370Z. I know, insane. I literally made a video about that like a month ago of why I wanted to go twin turbo instead of supercharger, and then that happened, so that's really amazing. In case you bros haven't really had the chance to watch it, I'm gonna leave the link up here or somewhere up here. Go ahead and watch it. It's a really amazing video. I know a lot of you guys are wondering why the video isn't in 1080p like this one and all of my other videos. YouTube really messed me up, guys. I literally had like no sleep for 2 days filming the video and editing the video, and I was so happy to get it done and have it done editing. And then when the time came to upload to YouTube, I uploaded, and then I noticed it wasn't in 1080p, and that just really bummed me out so much. But it's still a really good video. You can't really tell it's not in 1080p, but in case you missed it, I'm gonna leave the link somewhere up here. Just go ahead and watch that so that you can know what I'm talking about in this video. All right, so that was a lot of promotion for that video. Seriously though, it's an amazing video. I highly recommend you guys watch it. So the question is it really worth it? Is it really worth it with twin turbo 370Z? Is it worth it to spend that much money for the horsepower you're getting? Let's talk about that. Actually, before we get this video started, this place, every time I come, is creepier and creepier. Look at this, guys. Like, who does this? Who draws these things on the ground? Like, man. Also, I'm sorry, guys, I have to do it to you, but let's just take a moment to acknowledge how beautiful she looks right there. Man, that's sexy. So the full build cost him $22,000. Just to give you an example of you bros that don't really own a 370Z of how expensive that is, that costs more than I paid for this car. We're gonna really have to take into consideration things like practicality, how daily driving is, and things like that. As you guys can see right there, there's a truck. It just started raining. There's a truck that literally just it's standing there waiting for me to leave. Not doing anything wrong, but all right. And just for you guys that are looking for a simple yes or no answer, and just click on this video just like to look for a yes or no answer about this, I encourage you to stay till the end so you guys can hear my reasonings and everything I have to say about it after having driven one. I did a video, like I said, of me like a month ago saying why I wanted to twin turbo it, but now after doing it, after actually feeling it and having the first-hand experience, I am going to say that yes, it is 1000% worth. Oh god. It is 1000% worth it to twin turbo your 370Z. Let's talk about how the practicality of the car changes. The only thing that I noticed, and from talking to him for hours and hours that I noticed, you're gonna really have to worry about the car more, check it more, check the oil level, make sure everything's running smoothly and good, because if something bad does happen, a lot more things could go wrong. You could spend a lot more money than you would if you didn't have the twin turbo setup. But guys, honestly, it sounds a lot more worse than it actually is. He was telling me, and even I know myself, that a lot of, like, most of the twin turbo setups in the 370, actually all of them, are under the engine. Like, the engine is base and everything's super tight and goes super smooth, which is gonna get me to my next point, which is how OEM it looks. The twin turbo, honestly, it's meant for this car. Like I already said, everything's under the engine. You can't really see anything from the top. Everything's super smooth and tight. and if done right, since it's made for the car and just it looks so OEM. I love how it looks. I absolutely love the way it looks. That's why I don't want to go single turbo, because it shows on the top and I don't know, it just doesn't look like it's supposed to be there. But with the twin turbo, it looks sick, guys. I love how it looks. And you can't even find the intercooler. You have to really look through the car. I already said this in the last video. The VQ engine is such a safe platform to work on and can handle so much power that I even thought of. That 370, like I said in the title, or like I said in the last video, is pushing 650 horsepower. 650. That's an insane number, and it felt, I mean, I almost cried, honestly. But 650 horsepower, stock internals, stock everything. All they needed was the injectors, fuel pump, little things like that, but you didn't have to change the differentials. He didn't need to change any of that. You guys really have no idea how bad it's raining right now. Which just shows to prove how amazing and good all around this car really is. I mean, not a lot of cars can be hitting 650 on stock internals and not even changing things like I already said. And I'm getting off topic again, but regarding the giveaway I did with the shift knob, guys, you guys already not picked the winner. He already received the shift knob. He absolutely loves it. I'm actually gonna ask him to send me a picture of it with it in the car, and I'll put it up here right now. So big shout out to him, really cool guy. I'm really happy he enjoys it. And next giveaway, I'm working on something really big for 10,000 guys. So if you haven't already, share with your friends. So back to the topic, how did the Z make me feel? Was it a big difference? How did it feel? I mean, it's gonna be really hard to explaining it to you guys how it felt. And I mean, not many people have a chance in riding a 650 twin turbo 370 or any 600 horsepower car. I mean, I feel really privileged and really blessed to be able to do that, guys. Like, honestly, the fastest car I've been in was my car. Like, I never thought that would ever happen, but how it felt like constant, like you're just being pushed back, like constantly. You feel like it's gonna slow down every gear. Bros, we were on 4th gear. I'm gonna put up some clips after I'm done talking. I can't even speak. We were on 4th gear. The car was still pulling and pulling even more and more and more. And that was just insane. 1st gear, a lot of spinning, like pulled back, like going sideways, super awesome, super sick. And then 2nd gear, even more pulling, still spinning. 3rd gear, same thing. It felt amazing. Like, if you guys own a 370Z right now, just imagine the power you have now, but double that power, and just feel like you're always pinned in the back of the seat, and just imagine a blow-off valve going off. Yeah, now that I think about it, it's really hard to imagine, but just trying to help you guys out. It also felt like that's how it should have come from factory. Like, the car feels so much more mobile. Like, you could do anything. You could come, like, cut this car off, go over here, go over there. You feel honestly like the king of the streets. Because most likely nobody's gonna beat you. With 650 on a car this light, it's really hard for somebody to beat you unless you go to the track. But yeah, I feel like the speed really changes the handling. I don't know if it's because I was driving a Nismo and I own the base model, but the handling, just not even me driving, just being as a passenger and how he was driving, also the seats really kept me in. I feel like, I don't know, it was such an amazing experience, and definitely worth the $22,000 that he spent on it. I know it's a lot of money, with $40,000 at the 2017 Nismo cost, and then 22,000, that's like 60 something thousand, not including a lot of other mods. You can't really buy a brand new GTR with that much money. And something he told me, which is very true, is the GTR isn't as driver oriented as a 370Z. For one, it is an automatic, and the second one is it's 4-wheel drive. I mean, you don't really get that adrenaline rush of like your tail going side to side everywhere. I can't even speak. Everywhere. The car really controls you and doesn't allow you to have as much fun as with the manual 3-wheel drive 600 horsepower 370, which is very true. I definitely agree with that. And well, it's raining even more now, so guess I gotta go back home. So for you guys that said just buy a GTR, GTRs are actually more expensive, not counting the oil and just the high maintenance things that you need for a GTR. Even on a twin turbo Z, I just stalled. That even on a twin turbo Z you don't really need. I stalled in my own parkway. That is embarrassing. There we go. My expectations before getting into the car and doing the review, obviously I didn't want any expectations. I just wanted to go and just do it, but I was so excited, guys. This is like a dream come true. I'm gonna put up, I think I already put up like a lot of clips of me in the car and just being super happy. But I thought it was gonna be fast. I thought it was gonna be super fast. Like I'm gonna get pinned. And to be honest, to be 100% honest and not biased, which I'm not really biased, I'm telling you guys the truth. I would never lie to you guys. How it felt when I drove it, how it felt when I was passenger, from what I saw, just how clean and OEM it looked. 100% guys. If you have the money, go ahead and do yourself a favor and invest in a twin turbo for your Z. Like trust me guys, you're gonna thank me later. And with all that said, that pretty much sums up my is it worth on the twin turbo kit for the Z. Bros, what a beauty. So family, that pretty much wraps up the video. Really hope you guys enjoyed and you guys had fun with me talking about the twin turbo kit and how awesome it was. Really hope you guys enjoyed the clips that I put in. If you haven't already, please go ahead and check out the last video that I uploaded, which is the full like 20-minute super action-packed, there's a car, full-on review about the twin turbo kit on the 650 horsepower 370Z Nismo. Man, it feels super good to be back and making videos how I usually do, just at my house in the Z, talking about the Z. Feels really good guys. I haven't done that in quite a bit, I think. Also talking about videos, I really need you guys' help. If you can right now, go ahead and on the comments below, let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. What you guys, I don't know whether it's POV. I'm buying a GoPro, so I'm gonna be able to make some really cool POV videos. But other than that, what videos you guys want to see, let me know whether you guys are gonna get the twin turbo kit for the Z or you're not, and what are your opinions on it, and what are your opinions on the last video I made. With all that said, I'm really tired of talking. For Brittany and I, guys, we'll see you guys next time. All that I